Okay, well, here at Reelfoot, and I'm here with the famous Mad Chad, and he got himself a fish at a pet store in Dyersburg.
Yeah,
it looks like
it's a flower horn cichlid.
Flower. Now say it real slow.
A flower horn cichlid. Its head will get bigger.
Well, where's the flower at? And where's the horns?
It's got a pot belly.
Follow me talking, Mr. Chubbs.
It's got a big head like you.
It's got a big chin like you.
Got a, I'm gonna slap the.
Well, you said I had a big belly.
It's it's a fish. It's pretty smart. It's not a.
No, it's probably not a smart one. I don't see no flower or horn on it.
It's not a paraplegic fish or nothing.
It's not a common fish you just get out of Reelfoot like.
Hot in this car.
But what is wrong, Chad? What's wrong? Get hot? Getting hot?
Yeah.
Hey, I could get that fish out of that. It's lake.
Yeah, won't you go I'll fix to get
What?
Now
you can't. Now look, now Chad, calm down. We're fixing to go on this boardwalk here behind the museum. I think the museum is closed, but they got a boardwalk. Chad's ready to do some walking.
Not really.
He always said he's lazy. But anyway,
we're in a real good restaurant.
Yeah, it's called Ding Dong Lakeview. Well, I have pictures on this blog of it.
I had alligator. One of Jason's friends, he likes saving the reptiles. I wish they had turtle soup.
Ooh, you make me mad.
I had crawdads, Jason's other little friends that crawl around.
Well, I think they had one of your that fish right there on the menu. I think they're better pets. Better pet. It's starting to cloud up a little bit, but I don't think it's going to rain.
No, it's right out sprinkle.
And then we're going to go out to the old.
On one video, we're going to talk about how many presidents we got. I'm going to name all the presidents.
Oh, Lord.
No, I'm going to name them all.
We're non-political channel.
I'm just going to name all the presidents in history. I'm just going to name the greatest ones.
We do not take political sides on this, on the KJW 42 channel. We are non-political. My gosh.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, Funny Tubers, we're out here, right here in this big cage right here. There's some bald eagles on this cage here. We're going to take a look at them, and then we're going to take a look at these hawks and owls over here. There's some hawks and owls and stuff. You should get in one of them cages, Chad. See how friendly it is. But yeah, we're fixing to take a look at this, Funny Tubers. I haven't been here in years. There's acorns falling all over the ground. They use some lunch, Chad. You have a doggy bag. That is one big stick. Whoa, easy. Ah! What do you think you got bird after us? That is America's bird, and he don't like, or she don't like taxes. And
the greatest president we had.
Unbelievable, Jason. Unbelievable, but true. Unbelievable.
I ain't never seen one of that color.
A bug?
Look at dragonfly.
What? Oh, yeah.
Hey, that is neat.
Oh, that's pretty. Boy, that eagle is a big old eagle. You don't realize how big those eagles are. And there's supposed to be owls in here too. You don't realize how big the eagles are. A young eagle?
I watch National Geographic. See that brown one?
Uh-huh.
I watch that.
Oh, I see it. Ooh, that's huge. Is that a buzzard?
Hey, there's one on the ground over there. He's eating something. Yeah.
Probably eating a person. What is that? That thing's huge.
That's a baby one.
That's a baby brown eagle?
That's a baby bald eagle. They're brown, but they're
It
little.
looks like a thunderbird.
Hey, he's eating a fish. Hey, let's go over and look at him. He's eating a fish.
Okay, let's go look at that. Well, if you don't block the way here. What's it eating?
Fish.
Eating a person?
Go look at that fish.
What is that? He's got his mouth open like he's gonna bite your face off, Chad.
I ain't getting up. It's a fish. Something.
Look at the size of this brown eagle.
It's not a brown, it's a baby bald eagle, juvenile.
Oh, it is?
Don't let your ADHD
Hey,
kick in.
now look, that's a thunderbird.
Miss Ann, he's got
It's a baby
Miss
thunderbird.
Ann, he can't pay attention. He got ADHD.
Whatever. I think this is a person. Hey, Chad, thunderbirds are real. They got a wingspan about 20 feet.
Hallucinogenic berries.
What the heck?
Now, I know some millennials that eat those.
Well, I mean, they're about 20 feet wingspan, and they're about 14 feet long.
I don't believe that. Me and Miss Ann, we don't even
They're really real. I don't see no owls in here.
Owls over here, dummy.
Well, it said owls in there.
Bald eagle, dummy.
Well, no dip. I thought it was a corn dog. Stop it, Jason Funny, you're killing me. I'm laughing so hard. You're killing me, Jason Funny. Those thunderbirds are real. They're about 20 feet wingspan, about 14 feet long. They're huge. They have beaks a foot long. So what do we got here? What kind of owls were these? These that look pitiful.
Kind of like those little crested chickens look like a little bit.
Looks like they have a little nightlight for them. Now, horned-owl, what's a horned-owl? Where's its horns? What's the horns at, Chad?
I think he's got one eye.
Oh, by the way,
He don't have one. Look at his eye.
by the way, all these owls and eagles that's in these cages are injured, and that's why they're not out in the wild. Here at Reelfoot Lake, and we're right behind the museum. I think museum's closed, I think.
There's one over here. Won't you get up close? Jason, won't you get
Wow, look at that one. Ooh, he's showing his stuff. Wow, he doesn't look very nice, so she...
Jason, he turned his head.
Whoa, whoa, look at that thing. Kind of looks like a alien. Some people say they're aliens from another planet.
I hope he didn't get them berries.
No, I'm not focusing very good,
I
am
hope he didn't get them millennial berries over there.
Chad!
That one, there was one. They had another. They must have turned it out.
We'll look at it, though. It might have...
Are you wise like the great Kenneth Whitson?
Woo, woo. Oh, we got that on vlog!
Are you Kenneth? Do they call you Kenneth Whitson Jr.? Did you hear that? I said, you know Kenneth Whitson?
I got that. Whoa. Big guy. I thought that was one of them. I thought that was the local hippopotamus crew. I seen. Well, Kane was probably more healthy. What? Boy, this is pretty. Look at these cypress trees, Chad. The mahogany. Wah, 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 smarty. A walnut. What? Look, I sampled the sun.
Hey, there's some poison ivy out here.
Well, rub it all over your face then.
Where's you back?
The Reelfoot Leap was created by Chad stumbling and falling. Chad made a crater in the Jason playing. Oh, for heaven's sake. Good gravy. Well, Chad, watch this. See, I told you it's cypress trees. They're all cypress trees right there. That's a cypress tree. Whoops. That's a cypress tree. That's all cypress trees, Chad. It just said it on the thing. Oh, you know them people, Chad?
How would I know?
Well, I mean, the owls and hawks and eagles look like your relatives. Don't have to worry about the wild animals.
I got something for you. Come here, let me switch you.
It's okay. Like a rhino's Oh, Chad, it's too many miles for you to walk, so. It's 25 miles. It's 25 miles. Look. 25 miles. Oh my gosh. Whoops. For heaven's sake. Oh, for heaven's sake. Look at this beauty. Well, not Chad, but look at the rest of the stuff. Shut up, Jason! Granny G! This is where the cruise boat area, but the boat's not running today. There's the boat comes by here, picks up the people, goes around like a loop, but it's not running today. But we're gonna film some of this as we go down on the boardwalk a little bit. I don't think Chad's gonna make it. He'll probably sit down, but I'm gonna keep going around and we'll try to get this. We're gonna turn up probably the speed on this once we start getting around, so it'll go faster on video. You think they need a weed eater around here? Whoa, that's not a very good view. That's the wood they're gonna redo this with. He must have got a grant from somebody or something. Cut down more trees just to put a boardwalk through the trees. Well, they need a weed eat, Chad. Oh, for heaven's sake. It looks like stalactites. Are them from the caves? That's the stalactites. Oh, what's wrong, Chad? Watch out for the bugs, Chad. You got a bit, but well, yeah, it's the middle of a swamp. We'll take sections of this. Huh? Weed eat.
Something moved right by. Well, it could have been a snake.
Dog man.
Oh, fake old dog man.
What? Real. Wade believes in it.
Well, that's natural.
It sounds like a bullfrog, Chad. Make sure I don't drop my phone in here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna talk to them about doing weed eating around here. Guys, wait till you guys get to the lake. It's gonna be beautiful. There's a cricket.
Boy, there's a lot of minnows. Look at here.
Gotta watch how I hold my phone.
It's like a minnow breeding sanctuary in here, like minnows on welfare. Look at them. They just all over. They must be getting some GIS just in front of them.
Holy sweat, Chad. Funny tubers, we're reaching the lake. See, I told you cypress trees, Chad. These are cypress trees, and some of them are really tall. And the celeste, I don't know what you call them, spikes sticking out of the ground. It's like Godzilla spikes or something. But here's where the swamp or lake or whatever came along, created by the earthquake many, many moons ago. Looks like this boardwalk is under construction right here. That's why the old boards was set aside. These boards kind of look like my back deck. I may get some of these new ones to replace. See, that's broke right there. Chad is lucky he has not fell into the water yet, and he can't swim. So, but here's the lake. You can barely see some of the lake with all the cypress trees everywhere. It smells fishy out here, funny tubers. I can tell you that much right now. But as a kid, I went to Reelfoot. We lived in Madrid County, and so we was kind of close to the flatlands of close to Reelfoot. Crossed the river by Dyersburg. And these boards are getting a little bad, so I can see why they're replacing them. Try to be careful. But in emergencies, you can use Chad as the floating device. So. Shut up, Jason!